Hello friends, today is another video. It's Transfer Tuesday, and if you've been following me for a long time, you know what I do on Transfer Tuesday. I update my student loan, and today I'm putting a lot of money towards my student loan, so keep watching. Hi, hello. This is your girl Josy. Last week, I did everything that I can to film my student loan update, but it didn't work. Their website was down. I was trying to fix it to make sure I can log in to see what is going on, but your girl tried. I'm not a tech savvy, but I tried. I couldn't post a video last week, but this week I'm here getting a video out. I'm super excited, and this week I'm going to put a lot of money, and I'm listening to you guys. Yeah, all the money that I'm saving that I can put towards student loan, I am doing that. I'm super excited about that. We are in July. Let me go ahead and take the one from June out, and let me make sure I have my tracker as well, which I have it here. Let's leave that one here and let's see what is going on. So let me do the update. I hope you guys can see. We are in July. This is my first video. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing very well. By God's grace, I'm doing very well. I cannot complain at all. I don't even want to complain. So for those of you who are new here, 2022, that's when I started doing Transfer Tuesday. It's been like quite a long time. It's been 2 years already, and I'm still not finished paying off this thing. 2023, we started with 74,000. In 2024, which is like 6 months ago, we started with 57,421.10. Okay, so that's how far we are. At the end of June, I end up with, it's summertime, the kids are in the house, so I'm hearing a lot of noise. But if you hear any noise, please forgive me. My kids are running around. Hopefully one of them will not come in here and talk to me, which will happen. So we end up with June with $53,962. My percentage to that free was 42.35%. My minimum payment is still $539 with some change, but I'm running it up, so I'm budgeting my minimum payment to be $540. Okay, so we are starting with I'll do week 2 because week 1 was last week and I couldn't do it. So as I'm filming this video, my starting balance on the website, on my dashboard for the student loan, I called the customer service that I can't log in. I've tried everything and they show me the trick. So with interest adding up, my dashboard has, as I'm filming the video this week, 54,000. It went up with interest, $116.75. So from what we saw 2 weeks ago, it went up with interest. But today I'm making a lot of payment. So all the payment that I'm making are from, I have my monthly payment to be $540. Then every week I do $100. So 2 weeks in a row, another $100. Then I'm also doing the money that I got from my job, the $5 and the $1 that I did up to the middle of the year. That one I got 267 around there. I'm adding that one too as well. So for this week we are putting $1,007, and because I always pay the 75, I'm adding that one 75 cents. So we are putting towards $1,007.75. Super excited. I think since beginning of this year, this is a bigger amount that I'm putting towards my student loan. To tell you guys the truth, I'm so excited. If every week I'm able to do this, I'll be gone. I'll be paying off the loan quicker. But everything works for its best, so I will not complain at all. So the balance as of today is, let me do the math. 54116 plus 75 minus 1007.75. So we have 53,109. Then percentage to debt free, can't wait, divided by 93609. That's 60 times 100 minus 100. So we are still at 43% and 43.27% is the smalls. Yeah, so that's how far. So it means that we went up in terms of percentage. My last percentage was 42, so today I can shade. Yay, super excited. Let me put this one here. Let me put this one back to June. Okay, so this is how far we are. We are 53. At the end of this month, I want to go probably less than 52, which is doable, right? Really doable. So today I'm going to shade one of the boxes. Super excited because let me see, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So we can shade one more. Okay, so I have my pen, so we can shade this box. Okay, so 43%. Yeah, we're moving. I can't wait to get to 50. And I told you guys what I'm going to do when I get to 50. I'm going to buy Chick-fil-A salad, which is one of my favorite, and I'm going to sit down and eat it. It sounds funny, but I'm going to do that. I can't wait to get to 50%. I can't wait. Okay, so that's all for today for my student loan. Thank you for joining me today. I'm super excited to have you here. If you are new here and you don't know what is going on, today's Transfer Tuesday. We were updating my student loan, which I can't wait to get it done. So if you are here, thank you. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.